10 fixes for common problems. Let's get started. If your PROTON mail is down, do not panic. Don't worry, just run through these 10 quick fixes. Let's start with the simplest. The first step, the first fix, is to check PROTON status page. Search for PROTON status. It's the official dashboard for outages to see if there's any form of outage. 2. Refresh your page or restart the app. It is the oldest trick in the book for a reason. It actually works. Then 3. Check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. 4. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or try a different browser entirely. 5. Update the app. An outdated version can cause glitches. 6. Disable browser extensions or VPNs. They can sometimes interfere with a connection. 7. Check your device's storage. A full disk can prevent apps from functioning properly. 8. Reboot your device. A full restart clears out temporary software bugs. 9. Check your login credentials. Ensure you are using the correct username and password. And lastly, 10. If all else fails, contact PROTON support directly through their website for help. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember, most problems are temporary or on your end. 90% of the time, one of these first few steps will get you back into your inbox.